Dear ones, some time ago we checked whether manufacturers are kind of fooling us, so to speak, by presenting their products on the packaging in a way that's quite different from how they actually look. Here we have a few products that are, so to speak, totally random in a way, right? And let's see if anything has changed since then, because many of the products we checked before, unfortunately, were quite different from what was shown in the picture compared to what we actually found inside. Interestingly, some products have no description indicating if it's an illustration or serving suggestion, right?
Well, here you don't have it, Staba, so...
That's why I took it.
But you see how thick this is? This is like this, and I'm holding this, so it's going to be interesting, okay?
I don't know. Until we open it, let's say I won't comment. I feel like it's a scam, but I won't comment. And we'll start with the ice cream, so it doesn't melt. Oreo ice cream stick. Here's a serving suggestion. This isn't just an illustrative photo. Okay, here you go.
Hey, it's not bad.
Oh, I think it's okay.
Let's try to get the same angle like this. That's it. Is there something inside here? How do we judge it? Are they deceiving us or not deceiving us? Are they misleading?
You still judge by taste. But even if the manufacturer lied and the product looks different from the packaging, if it's delicious, I won't hate it.
My suggestion, taste is secondary, but
Do you agree?
is the packaging legit or is it... Wow, that's so good. It tastes like sweet sand, but that's not the point. Was that legit?
Well, there are a few more dots, but I wouldn't nitpick that much. I think Oreo actually went for authenticity here.
In my opinion?
Definitely.
Oh, absolutely. The first Oreo product is done.
Do you know the company Ben Ampersand Jerry's?
Hey, this is a hit. I've never eaten this before.
I haven't eaten it either,
I know the company.
but I recognize it.
Those ice creams are so gross and pricey that I don't eat them.
All right, I'll pour it out because it's kind of...
No, it's much worse here. It's kind of like bird's milk, right? Look, is that it? Here you can clearly see it.
So why is it different?
You see that little ball? They took the easy way out.
Or maybe we need to cut the other side? Oh, damn, really? You have to cut the other side. Unbelievable.
No way, impossible. How come?
No, wait, look, you have a dot.
All right, so if I cut it like this, then what?
Then you don't have a dot.
Jesus.
It's going right through the middle.
Indeed.
Yeah.
But that was smart.
And there would already be some hate.
But Sigma,
All right, salted caramel brownie. Is this a salted caramel brownie?
but this is likely overpriced.
And where's the brownie here?
That chocolate in the middle, but it's so sugary it just kills you. It's not that. The candy in the cake is like sweet mousse.
But this cube shape really suits me. As if maybe there's a whole package, but you don't feel guilty since you just ate the cubes.
It's actually awesome when there's no stick, right? Now I realize that the stick is kind of like a pit in ice cream. You eat it carefully. And now you just go like this, huh?
I don't taste the caramel. I don't know if this is brownie.
There isn't any.
The picture is accurate, but the label feels misleading, like when mustard is labeled extremely spicy. And it turns out that it's just mildly spicy.
Ice.
Damn, I actually like it.
If you like it, eat it all so we don't have to return, because I love ice cream and can eat any amount. It's not worth its price because I know this package costs about 28 zlotys. Sorry, there's a promotion now. It's 16 zlotys instead of 20.
They're not good enough to pay that much.
No, that's not exactly how it was because it's much nicer here, but we're being cheated here.
Yes.
That's barely anything too.
And the text is big.
We're being cheated so badly that I bet this doesn't even count.
And I confirm that he gets an X.
There was meant to be a suggestion, but we'll give it anyway. That's the flavor.
But they gave us the wrong flavor.
Next product.
Tart. Oh, fromages, yes. Okay, wait, I'll put this down.
Not yet. You need to cut off the triangle. Cheese tart, Jesus. Tell me it'll be delicious.
Hey, it didn't set. Maybe it wasn't supposed to set. Okay.
Damn, I would pass it. This is clearly a photo of the product, just carefully presented. They chose the best one and roasted it. It's not a scam.
No, there's no scam, right?
It has that kind of frill.
Yes.
Big thanks to Oshan for providing it.
Honestly, it's nearly identical if I look at it now.
But since we're here, Staba, since we've come this far,
We've made it this far, you know. I don't really feel it. How many types of cheese are here?
but honestly, it's a weak scrambled egg and just a bit of cheese.
Oh, now that you mentioned scrambled egg, I see it. Damn, well, they didn't lie in the picture, but
This is very delicate. This is, Kazisha would fall in love with it. Well, it could be a bit more cheesy. I wouldn't buy this product for myself at home. Would you buy it?
I wouldn't buy it, especially since I didn't use a flat baking tray, just a rack, so that's what happened.
So that the air could, that's a huge plus. And that's what this episode is about.
Yes,
That's what it looks like in reality.
there's no deception in appearance.
It looks just like on the packaging.
Whether it tastes good or not, that's a separate opinion, but does it look right? It does. And now we're just going this way.
Yes.
Oh, there's even an instruction manual. That's how you're supposed to eat it. Hey, you have hands.
No.
That's how you're supposed to eat it. You? Well, you have hands.
But this is some kind of joke.
Why?
That you unscrew it and lick it, that's the tongue and the mouth.
Oh, packaging within packaging. Cocoa cookies with 29% matcha ice cream. Flavored cream.
Matcha ice cream, Ole. But they're all about matcha. I'm macho. It's all the same to me.
How much cream?
Do you see how much cream there is here?
Oh, damn. Because you unscrewed it wrong. You were supposed to unscrew it so it would be smooth.
Ah, that's not going to work. All right, let's lick it off. But this is good. This is mint. These are herbs. This is everything that doesn't match immediately.
But how do you want to lick it?
It's impossible, and it stinks. Artificial food for fish.
But no, in my opinion, that's misleading. Whether here or from this side, everywhere it shows how much filling there is. But if you look at it from the wrong angle, you can't see it.
Well, Oreo is what it is. Everyone can see that. There's not much to say here. There's less filling than here. They didn't overdo it. I like the taste, but I'm not rating it yet because, Staba, I don't know how to handle this product.
I feel cheated because from every side it suggests to you that it's a sandwich cookie, meaning a cookie that's really filled with cream.
All right, let's move on and not focus on the Oreo.
There are no sandwich cookies?
All this sugar is making me hot.
And now kind of in the classic way, there's a cookie, right? Just like with all cookies. On the packaging, it shows what the cookie looks like and how much stuff is packed in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces like this.
Well, someone took a bite.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
And now let's see if, indeed, we're not saying it has to be exactly as counted, but if there will be at least a little.
No.
Did you bite?
No.
Wait, maybe I'll do it like this.
But okay, look how it disappeared from here.
And why did it jump over?
Aha, because it jumped like that. Well, I'll tell you this, that maybe so.
It fits, because if you look at the packaging, some look bitten, but they're just broken.
Yeah, but they're so brittle. You know what? I don't feel that cheated. There's a lot of it. It implies there's a lot, and I see plenty here too, Staba.
But you have the right not to feel cheated. It's nice when you check, and it turns out, hey, it's just like in the picture. That's exactly the point. That's how producers should do it.
Really sweet, but a nice product. Like if someone made it for me at home?
These aren't pieces, these are freckles.
No.
We're eating freckles.
A genuine product.
These cookies really are filled with those, I'll say it, freckles, yeah.
There are nuts, there's chocolate, it's crunchy just like it says. I'm satisfied that the producer didn't cut any corners.
They're crumbly, so you must handle them carefully. Honestly, I might have tossed them somewhere. I have no idea.
Are we counting it?
Yeah, here there's no cheating like that. That's what interests me most.
Well, then it won't happen.
Not because it's some company or balconies, but when there's a roulade like that. Usually, but not always, when you cut it, the inside looks different.
Go ahead, there's no chance, but it stinks. Hey! How nicely they poured it!
Damn it!
Hey, I was sure it wasn't.
Boy, I've gotten so many great hate comments. Look how balanced it is.
Hey, it's not that bad. It's not as thick as on the package.
You could say this photo is edited, right?
Yes.
But not in such a blatant way.
One difference is that here it looks like it's spread with Nutella inside, and here it's just brown cake.
A creamy mess.
Yeah, like that. Not so runny.
But on the outside, those little patterns are perfect, okay? So now I make it my goal to find products that are misleading, but it's not as easy as it used to be. In the past, nearly every product had some sort of lie.
Does it seem like everything's okay for now?
I wouldn't want to admit it, but I was waiting here for that kind of emotion. You lie, you lie, you lie. And so far, that's not the case.
Hey, cool, because
But actually, that's pretty cool.
it's cool for us now because it used to be different.
It's cool for the customers.
All right, I'm putting another one aside because, oh no, we haven't been cheated.
Oh, what a pity.
But we'll be here. Don't even tell me. Kit Kat, something new. I haven't eaten this.
There's also salted caramel. There's a pattern, because here it's also white, like this text.
I mean, like,
Third, and the way it's attached, it's...
nice.
Do it like this. And now you cut, for example, right here.
Yes.
Well, generally, okay, here you can see this. Let's call it cream. I assume it's cream.
But they're suggesting the thickness of a Kit Kat here. Don't you get that impression?
Yeah, like those Kit Kats.
Yeah, the real one.
Here, the proportions are really distorted.
It sits on the shelf and you can tell it's a big one. All right, but okay, I still can't wait.
Well, this photo is edited. Hold on, I don't know.
Damn.
Such chocolate, such...
I'm already sugared out, but it's good.
But this is chocolate. Such chocolates. There are 54 better ones.
Really? Well, I don't know what to say.
Can we do half and half?
But do you feel cheated?
If I take the facts into account, I don't really feel cheated.
Yes, you can take it that way.
They couldn't make such a small cropped picture because you wouldn't see what's on the packaging.
Listen, this texture is okay. It's the thickness you see when you take chocolate.
You grab it from the shelf, it's chocolate.
The texture is okay, but it's hard for me to say. This one is probably better,
I could bet 100 this one will be better, but you're right.
but it's definitely very chocolatey.
It says double, and it's true here, unlike the ice cream where it wasn't.
Yeah, there's also not much salted caramel. It's just that this is so damn sweet.
All right, but double chocolate is true. Like, there's chocolate and there's double chocolate, so it's double chocolate.
Let me tell you this.
The taste isn't fake, but the picture for me is kind of... it's truthful, but very zoomed in. Otherwise, nothing would be visible. I'm torn and unsure. Rules can be broken or bent.
What's it called? Not modification, but manipulation of perspective. Yeah, that's how I'd put it.
Let's leave it like that here.
A subtle manipulation of perspective.
And it even sounds nice. 3 minutes in the microwave. Here's a serving suggestion photo. It's not just for illustration. That's important. That suggests 3 minutes and it's ready. So 3 minutes and you have it. We're not discussing the plate. After 3 minutes, the dish will look like this.
Or maybe the suggestion is that you're supposed to...
I'll give you a plate. I'll give you a deep plate. The point is whether we'll be able to get anywhere close to that picture in any way.
It looks super hot.
So yes, here we have it. The rice is in the middle.
No, you don't know what's happening on the other side. Maybe we should do it their way.
Maybe it's that kind of plate. It's already cut off here.
Yeah, maybe we should do something here.
I've seen plates like that before.
Yeah, I think that's what we should do, Staba.
To that extent?
All right, in my opinion, there.
All right.
All the meatballs being on this page suggests there aren't any on the other.
I hadn't considered that, but they do have a line of defense. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are there 6? There are 6.
Give me a suggestion for a pass.
Oh, damn.
Oh, that's a kind of pass suggestion. But the rice is weird.
All right, but it's just like the producer wanted. 3 minutes, that's what you wanted, producer.
Staba, no, we can't do it. We have to try it. This rice looks hopeless. Oh, Jesus, Sokolov, come on, what are you doing? Speak to Mr. Maklowicz.
Hey, isn't this the rice for sushi?
Whoa, what is this?
Martin, you overcooked the rice. Hey, how could you?
Like that meme? What is this?
What the heck is this?
What a mess. It's like they've run out of... Unable to sell their stuffed cabbage rolls, the Sokowa president told them to separate and wash the cabbage, meat, and rice, then mix everything back together.
Yes.
Terrible! Pramash, you eat a lot of ready-made meals.
Well, how else?
Do you want my fork or a clean one? Try the rice. What is this?
Good, isn't it? You can make little balls out of it.
Oh, Jesus, it doesn't even have any taste.
Oh well.
Rubbery, tasteless, all stuck together.
Terrible.
I rate elastic pork meatballs in sauce. And here,
You know what's the worst? Damn. I think you tried them first, since I bet they're going to be super elastic.
come on, slap it or I'll...
Quiet, not there.
Hey, Staba, but look how nicely it all came together.
Well, that red one is just touched up in Photoshop, right?
Yeah, wait.
The only thing is, the color of the rice is pretty accurate.
All right, you know what? Since we're here, this is the last dish. Since we're here, let's at least try it raw.
Hey, it fits on half the plate, so the manufacturer isn't lying.
It's not raw.
Why is it so pink?
Jesus.
Oh, God.
Delicious.
Holy crap.
Hey, but no, but here.
Just like the grandma's.
What crap, all right.
Honestly, take the trial for us, you.
But can we stop laughing?
Sue us. This is the worst thing I've ever eaten.
But there's a bit of pink inside here.
Well, I swear, this isn't funny.
This isn't funny.
I'll be campaigning for a thumbnail with this dish and the caption, what a piece of crap. This shouldn't be sold to people.
But it's delicate, isn't it?
How about here? It's not there. Damn, missed the most important thing. It says premium there.
premium dish.
Okay.
The ingredients are fine, but you still have much to learn from Sokowów, especially since appearance matters a lot to me. The rice is terrible, the sauce is terrible, the meat is awful, and I don't want to talk about, but it could have been in places where older people no longer chew. No, not that they're not alive, just that they don't chew things.
Jesus.
This is the first meatball. I could chew it even without teeth.
All right, hey, let's eat it with our tongue, just like this.
Honestly, this isn't worth the calories to eat.
Hey, no.
Something else.
Hey, it's disappearing.
It's coming.
But come on, go. You can
But look how fast.
eat this with your gums. Sir, this episode was experimental, but I think we had a good time. Times have changed. When we recorded this episode a few years ago, every other one looked different, but now they all look similar. Except for the fact that we have clickbait for this episode. Only because it has calories. And if someone was dying because they got buried in a mine, they could eat it.
But if you don't have teeth because you suddenly lost them and you haven't gotten used to liquid meals yet, you'll eat it.
We apologize to those who enjoy the taste. Everyone has different preferences. We tested 5 flavors with the team on this channel, thousands of products. And usually
And you didn't always agree with us, right?
it's not that bad. All right. Gentlemen, Roman is rushing me to the bathroom because he's in a hurry. We'll say goodbye to you and then we're off.